my cat really likes that chair, and I'm not sure why. Welcome. This pretty girl has like 5 names. First, pretty girl. Second, Mercy. Third, Jupiter. The last one I made up, and I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it. Mookater. Meow, meow, meow. Let's move on to the next cat. I can't see her, but she's right there, and it's Paul.
Can you help?
No. Yes, we named her Paul. Now, time for the cat that you saw in the last video. Light. She's trying to lick the camera. Time to move on to the job. Well, only dog. This is my 97-year-old Linda. Linda. She loves it when we do that. Linda. Oh, she ignored me. Oh well. Stay tuned for Saturday. You're gonna get to know my other pets on Saturday. Yes, on Saturday, because the other pets are at my dad's house. So stay tuned for the other pets.